Back to the fort.
Yeah, forge.
Forge?
Forge.
All right, you forge on.
Forge in
I'm glad we both made that joke. Get everyone to make stealth checks one more time.
One more time. Oh, my luck.
Oh no!
Luck ran out.
Oh no.
Oh.
5. Yeah.
Hey, 6. Yeah, we're in trouble.
So,
A little bit.
as you're moving through the dark, your hair glowing, you suddenly hear a, "Help me, help me, help." And as you turn to look, you see a villager speared the entire way through with a shard of crystal pinned to a wall. And it seems to be growing up kind of through him, and it's growing up and around his neck. "Help me, help us, help."
What?
And then you hear an unearthly cracking. Door bashes outwards as you see massive bloated body dragging behind it. Starts moving up the road towards the group of you. So gross. And I think we'll stop there.
Creepy discoveries.
So creepy.